y'all, hey. Today we are going to do beef stroganoff using ground beef. I've made this a lot for my family. I got it from another YouTuber, and I want to go ahead and make it for you. Okay, so I've already done my ground beef, an onion, and a couple of stalks of celery chopped, and I've already added my garlic. And over low heat, I'm going to go ahead and add the mushroom soup and the cream of celery soup. And I added in some garlic. Depending on how much ground beef you use, you may have to add another cup of soup. Some sour cream. A quarter of a cup to a half, just depending on how much meat. Okay, let me get some salt and pepper. Let it sit here and heat through, and then I will be right back with you. Okay, so it's already heated through. The only thing that I did after leaving y'all waiting on it to heat through is I added a little bit of water just to thin it just a little bit, and I added a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, just a little bit. That's it. And it's going to be ready to serve, and we're going to serve it on top of penne. And as soon as I get that pasta ready, then I'll show you. Okay, y'all, this is the finished product. I'm probably going to add the pasta into the sauce, mix it all together for my kids, but this is the finished product. Real simple, real easy, and quick weeknight meal.